Good morning, team. I wanted to show you guys, well, one, how beautiful it is here today. I know some of you are getting snowed in, but it's just glorious here in Galveston. Here is my dining room table, which is also my Ever Project Center. So I'm done a blitz of sampling. I contacted my loyal customers and asked for them to send me names of people to send samples to, and it went smashingly well. So here's what I've done. I've bought these little 1/2 ounce sample jars I got on Amazon. I bought some labels and I made labels. So the new Hydrolift, when it gets here, will go in there. Daylight, Luminous, Reveal. I'm sending both cleansers to give them the option. Here's a big thing of bubble wrap I got, again, from Amazon. The boxes that I have to assemble. I've started getting some ready here. Here is some note cards that I had made from a friend who runs a amazing stationery store. She made them for me. And here's the little letter that I'm sending to everyone. And then on the back, I've printed out instructions. I just got all those done this morning. So these will be tucked in along with my business card here. Here's kind of a sample box getting ready. Of course, I've done the Reveal samples. I cut them in half and I put 7 halves in each so they have a full week. My business card, and then here I just got this off and I printed it out on photo paper. So when they open the box, I'm going to have the samples in a cute little bag. Thanks, Chad, for the inspiration. And then this will be on the bottom with this guy and this guy, the little bag of the samples, and then my letter on top. So it should look pretty nice when they get it. Anyway, I hope everyone is having a beautiful weekend. Take care.